When you look at the sky in Denver this time of year, you might see a brown cloud. Our science guy, Steve Spangler, is here to show us why this is happening. And I'm standing next to you because I don't see a fire extinguisher. You didn't give me the glasses or the poncho, so I know it's pretty safe.
Bam! Yeah, it happens. Love this one. A classic, easy to do. You see, we just have some juice bottles sitting out here. Ed, you're going to carry me on this because it's the big weather phenomenon.
Okay.
You got your temperature inversion. Look at what we did. We have hot water here. So if you put your hand on the yellow, feel that it's warm, right? And the cold water here in the blue.
Yes.
Got it?
Okay.
All right. So here, let me just top this one off. And so here's what happens is if the warm is on the bottom, so let's say the sun heats the earth and the warm is on the bottom and then you have cold on the top, you can kind of predict what's going to happen, all right? So here we go. Let me do this. This is where we don't bump the table. Whatever we do, we don't bump the table.
I have the
and
paper
now
towel roll
watch
in my
what
hand.
happens. So there it is. Look at the mixing that you get there.
Yeah.
Does that look good?
Yeah.
All right, so the yellow there, and so you get all the mixing. That's exactly what you want. You want those gases up into the atmosphere, pollution, what have you. But now watch what happens when we put the warm on the top and the cold on the bottom. Now all of a sudden that cold water, again, more dense, the cold air more dense, those molecules are a little closer together. Watch what happens here. Even though the mouth is open here like this,
Wow.
there's no mixing.
Oh, yeah.
Is that fun? So imagine the pollution down here. Now all of a sudden you see it right there in that very center section there where the green mark is there. This here, all green, so it's completely mixed. So warm on the bottom, cold on the top. When does temperature inversion happen?
Well, when the warm air is on top of the cool air, because normally temperatures decrease as you go in height.
Yeah.
Well, that reverses, and this has the cap, and that forces the cap of all the pollution and the smog to the ground.
Amazing.
Smart people.
Yeah.
Smart people.
Now, here's a very thin tank. So this is like an aquarium. I know you were going to say that.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's a really thin tank, so it's an aquarium. So here's what's going to happen. Are you ready? You're going to pour at the same time I'm going to pour,
Okay.
Erica. So you and I both pour in at the same time. So you on that side, me on this side. Ready, set, go. Good. Now there's a little flap there, and we're going to open up the flap, so we're just going to let this settle down like this. Got it?
Yep.
So it settles just a little bit, and now watch what happens when we start to open this up here like this. Watch what happens. So now, look at that. This is what happens when a science guy has too much time on his hands, right there. But look at that. So there is that, the green we're going to call our brown cloud, but look at how that yellow stays on the top, the warmer on the top, the colder on the bottom. There is a case for driving your car when it's light outside. You want the sun heating the earth, moving those gases. We want this movement that's here. It doesn't make the pollution disappear, but you understand what I mean. It gets it up higher in the atmosphere. It'll stay just like this way.
This is cool. Good luck. Good luck breaking these bottles.
This is a problem. I just don't know how to take it down now. So I figure if I leave, Zach can do it.
Yeah. Good luck with that. No,
thank you.
Here, there you go. You're
There
going
you go. That's exactly how it's going to be.
Steve, as always,
right
thank
there.
you so much for
Absolutely.
coming in.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Okay.